Lamb shoulder roast.
So we took a family trip to the supermarket and my husband picks up this boneless lamb shoulder roast and he said, should we get this? And I said, sure, it looks delicious, but you tell me how to make it. You know, anyway, this is how he told me how to make it. So first you're going to start by searing the lamb on all sides, which is a must always. And now let's chop up some celery. Size doesn't really matter here, but what does matter is that whatever else you're chopping up with the celery is the same size. So here's 2 carrots into the bowl. I don't have a ton of time. We check on the lamb. It's looking good. Now 2 yellow onions. We're just going to slice it up into ribbons and get that into the bowl with the celery and the carrots. And now the lamb is great. It's seared on every side. That goes onto a plate. You replace it with the mirepoix, some whole cloves of garlic, salt, pepper. Give it a mix and let that cook down. Now we are chopping up rosemary and thyme and we're making a paste. So that's Dijon mustard, the juice of a lemon, obviously, the rosemary and thyme, garlic, some honey, give it a mix, and now that's gonna go onto the meat. I didn't put salt and pepper in it because there's already so much salt and pepper on the meat. Tomato paste into the mirepoix, let it cook for like 2 minutes, and in the meantime, I'm going to cut up just 3 potatoes, rough chop, then add 2 cups of red wine, whatever wine you like to drink, into the pot, more salt and pepper, smells incredible. Meat goes in. Now I'm going to put it in the oven covered at 250 degrees for like ever because you cannot overcook this. Really, look at how delicious it looks. It's like fall off the bone. This was in there for like, I think 10 hours. If you don't have that time, that's okay.
Low and slow, baby.
Truly, it's delicious. Low and slow, baby. Anyway, am I going to say this is the best thing ever? Yes. Is it? I don't know. You should try it.
It's warm you up from the inside out food.